you how you can create mirror zoom effect. So I'm going to select this photo here, and then I'm just going to copy paste into some clip. So, and then just going to select first one, go to animation, select in animation, just tap on mini zoom to select it, apply to all the clips, and just going to select second one, and then part one, just going to click mirror, click mirror, and then just going to effect, select video effect you like here. So I'm going to select this camera shake. Here we go. Sorry. Here we go. That's how to mirror zoom effect in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.